Hello, welcome to your latest update from the Met Office. More wintry weather to come. We've seen some snow through Tuesday, and there could well be more, especially so on Thursday. More on that in just a moment, because through the rest of the night we still have a yellow warning in force for further snow, and it could be quite icy for Wednesday morning's commute. Low pressure system heading its way into France, bringing some pretty nasty conditions here. It's to the north. We've had this weather front sort of tied into that low that's been bringing a band of rain followed by sleet and snow across England and Wales, working from west to east and still bringing the potential for some snow across parts of eastern England, particularly through the early hours across East Anglia and parts of Kent. A few centimetres, maybe a bit more than that on some of the hills. Following on, lots of showers in the west, and they will also be of hail, of sleet and some snow to lower levels. So ice is a real risk for Wednesday morning's commute, as many places will be below freezing as we start the day. So it's a cold, frosty start. The wet weather in East Anglia should be gone by the time the sun comes up, but it could have left a legacy of snow, certainly. And then we've got snow showers coming into the west throughout the day. Most of them focused across the Highlands, where they could be pretty heavy. Elsewhere, the showers will be more scattered, very much hit and miss. And for many places, it'll just be a dry, bright winter's day, but it will be cold. We start around freezing or a few degrees below, and we eventually creep up to 2-3 degrees, maybe 4 or 5 across parts of the south. It's going to feel cold despite some decent spells of sunshine. Notice that wintry weather never completely clears away from parts of East Anglia either. The threat of further wintry showers here into Thursday morning, and we'll continue with snow showers in the northwest of Scotland. Elsewhere, it's a largely dry, clear, cold, frosty night, and it is going to turn quite murky. Low clouds and fog around, and that fog will be freezing fog with temperatures below freezing. Down to the southwest, well, we start to see another weather front approaching. Now, this is going to cause quite a bit of interest through the course of Thursday. An active weather front tied into an area of low pressure. It's swinging up towards the UK, and the cold air is still in place at this stage. So as it moves northwards, bringing the moisture, and the isobars squeezing together as well. So it's going to get windy, and we could increasingly see some snowfall from this weather front. Now, this is Thursday, still some uncertainty about the position of that weather front. It looks like spreading its way up across the southwest on Thursday morning, bringing mostly rain here with snow over the hills. But as it hits that colder air, it could start to turn more and more to snow. Ahead of it, some stubborn patches of freezing fog, and then that bank of wet weather spreading its way across parts of England and Wales. Further north, many places dry and bright, but with wintry showers on some North Sea coast. It's going to be another cold day, 1-3 degrees, maybe getting a bit milder in the southwest, but of course it won't feel all that mild because it's going to be wet and increasingly windy. Now, where exactly are we going to see snow from that weather front? Well, it depends where it lies really, and the intensity and just how cold it is. The time of day is also crucial. It does look like pushing northwards through Thursday afternoon, but this weather front could be a little bit further north. It could be a little bit further south. Want to keep a very close eye. And at the moment, we have a large warning area in force because of the uncertainty about the position and the intensity of the snow. But please stay tuned to the forecast, because this could, if it becomes quite slow moving, provide quite a bit of snow in places on Thursday. Best place to keep up to date with the very latest from the Met Office on social media, on our website, or of course download our app, and all the warnings are on there.